Many of Tokyo's neighborhoods don't make it to travel guides. They are places where locals live and their daily lives, not full of tourist attractions, and maybe not the Japan you first imagined. But after your second or third visit, you might find them more fun. This is in Shibuya City, but not the Shibuya everyone knows from the Scramble Crossing. It's beyond the bustling areas that not many tourists come. Today I'd like to walk from this Yoyogi Uehara to Okushibu, which is right behind the Center Guy Street continuing from Shibuya Station. Now let's start from Yoyogi Uehara Station.
Now I'm in Yoyogi Uehara Station. It's 3 stations from Shinjuku, 1 station by express by Odakyu line, and you can also visit by Tokyo Metro Chiyoda line.
Yoyogi Uehara is the last station of Tokyo Metro Chiyoda line, and some trains go directly to Odakyu line, which is a private railway starting in Shinjuku. Even though it's a station, every train stops except the limited express called Romance Car. Not many passengers get off at this station. This is a local residential area with some streets with shops.
So this street is actually continuing from Omotesando, the major street in Harajuku, and that is continuing to here.
It's definitely not a place with sightseeing spots, and probably one would be this Turkish mosque called Tokyo Jami. Visitor can go in, and they also have a shop that you can buy some Turkish snacks and drinks.
It's a very beautiful building. So I can't film inside, but you can enter and see the mosque. In the mosque building, they have the international market, Turkish culture center, and they have the supermarket. They have a little place that you can eat and drink what you purchase at this market. I got a grape juice from Turkey. So let me try the grape juice. It's very good, very sweet, very rich taste.
It's a luxury residential area, and it is said some famous Japanese company CEO live on this hill. It might sound a little bit not so interesting, but this Tokyo You've Never Walked series is not the series to walk somewhere without any charm. It's about neighborhoods with some charm and still not too touristy, just not with typical Japanese sightseeing spot. The catch is, in this town there are many independent restaurants that you might be interested in.
So it's a gyoza restaurant.
The one I entered is a restaurant called Under Gyoza. It's a restaurant chosen as Michelin's Bibu Gourmand, specialized in unique boiled dumpling. So this is the 8 gyoza, 4 different kinds of gyoza and 4 rice that you have to mix with the bottom and soup.
Interesting, lots of things comes up.
It was very good.
So it was a very interesting restaurant.
Near the station, there are many shops and restaurants along the street.
There are more shops along this side. From here to Yoyogi Koen station, there's little streets and lots of stores along the street. Lots of cute little lunch place.
And this street continues to Yoyogi Hachiman station.
So this is exactly where the Tokyo Metro Chiyoda line comes out to the ground from underground. Well, 17 right now, but many stores or lunch space looks much easier to enter than other busy town like Nakameguro. Here there are lots of my favorite bakery. Actually, like 2 years ago, I had a video about this bakeries around this area, but of course, like, it was like 30 view and finished, so I deleted it. And I think now maybe it can reach a little more people, so I'd like to introduce my favorite bakeries here. One of them is this Danish shop.
There's a Danish bakery shop, Yensen, on the corner. It's operated by a Japanese senior couple and there aren't that many selections, but I like their Danish. I'm not sure if I know how the quality of the Danish bakery should be, but I saw a 5-star Google review by a Danish person.
Yoyogi Hachiman station, and right here, so it's very close from Yoyogi Hachiman station. So if you across the rail of the Odakyu line, now there's the area of the Yoyogi Hachiman. And there's also Yoyogi Koen station of Tokyo Metro Chiyoda line. So here there's a famous Hachiman is coming from the shrine near here. So let's go see the shrine first.
Now we arrive at the Yoyogi Hachiman station of Odakyu line. Right under, there's a Yoyogi Koen station of Tokyo Metro Chiyoda line, just one station from Meijingu-mae and Harajuku. If you go to east side from Harajuku by Tokyo Metro, it's Omotesando, more city center with top international brands. But if you go to west, just one station from Harajuku, you see a town with a little bit more local atmosphere and quiet vibe, still with some trendy shops. This Yoyogi Hachiman station has 3 exits, and one side you exit on the elevated street of Yamate Street, which has a big pedestrian sidewalk connecting Shinjuku and Shibuya. From here, you will soon find Yoyogi Hachiman Shrine.
Now we start to see the building of Hatsurai near Shinjuku, Opera City, and here we go. We are the Yoyogi Hachiman Shrine.
It is said it started in year 1212, and since then it's protecting this Yoyogi area. Since the famous Meiji Shrine was built in 20th century, this Hachiman Shrine is much older.
So it is said this is a very powerful spot that you get high energy after you come here, or kind of healed. It's very nice in the forest, very quiet, and the air is really good.
It might be much smaller than Meiji Shrine, but if you're looking for something a little more localized, this is a good place to stroll around.
Came out to the other side of the Yoyogi Hachiman Shrine. Let's go down to the Yoyogi Park side. The big forest you see over there is the Meijingu Shrine and Yoyogi Park.
Now we came out to the other side of the shrine, and this will soon lead to another Odakyu line station called Sangu-bashi, and quiet residential area continues on the hill between Shinjuku and Shibuya.
And there's a little park here, and on the other side is a Yoyogi Park. So now let's head towards the Okushibu direction. Okushibu is the kind of back street of Shibuya, and it's getting popular recently as a more quiet side of Shibuya. Coffee shop called Verde from Santa Cruz. They have a serious location in Tokyo. And this Yoyogi Hachiman area has lots of restaurants and bakeries. So let's see some of them. So beautiful.
I found a local restaurant called Yellow House. It's operated by one lady and a small restaurant, so the seat can be full quickly and takes time until it's open next. It's Japanese lunch menu, nothing special in good meaning. Portion might not be big, but each taste was good. If you had a miso soup at the beef bowl chain and you think that is the miso soup, this is a place to take yourself to see how homemade miso soup tastes like. This area between Yoyogi Koen Station and Yoyogi Park is like a small maze, and in a little aisle, there's a coffee shop called Nephew. I ordered a cheesecake, and it was softest cheesecake I've ever had. Very good. The coffee was also good. There's an ice cream shop with a Pug logo, but looks like it's closed on Monday. If you like to go restaurant, Shibuya City has lots of unique public bathroom on the street or in the pocket park, and this is one of them that the wall shed once you lock the door. In the park, there's a Yoyogi Koen Station. Wrecker Donut. Wrecker Donut. あ、こんにちは。サワーカスタードクリーム。スノーウィーシュガー。Wrecker Donut. And I found a donut shop. There are lots of sweet shops, so I never can proceed to Shibuya. Oh, cute. So this is their special main donut, like a Wrecker Donuts. There's a little place you can eat here too. Sugar coated, it's very good. So let's move to Okushibu. There are lots of charming little shops around here. And the first one is Nata de Cristiano, a Portuguese tart shop. Only one person can enter the store at that time, so it can be a long line, but I don't see any line today, so let's wait. I've tried many tart here, but I think the best one is the basic egg tart. And from here you can enter this little path. It used to be a Udagawa River, but it was paved when the first Olympic took place. This is another popular restaurant. This is kind of their new special food. They just started. Oh, very soft and very, very eggy. Very sweet egg taste. It's very good. And right here, near the Nata de Cristiano, there's a Hooligan, kind of Northern Europe's coffee shop. It's very popular spot here. They have in Asakusa too. Oh. And there's a Trunk Hotel, newly opened recently, and you can see the Yoyogi Park from the rooftop. This is a Hooligan, the popular coffee shop over there. And naturally, we just ate it around the corner over there. And this is a kind of gluten-free shop called Natura. I have lots of allergy, like a department store of allergy, and I found one gluten-free cafe. I don't know if I have a gluten allergy, but recently I'm a little bit doubting about it. It seems they don't serve any lunch or meals, but they had a strawberry shortcake. Customer kept coming in for takeout, so it seemed like a popular store. And I understand that as a strawberry shortcake was very good. This area behind Shibuya city center is called Okushibu, and it's getting popular as a place a little more quiet than Shibuya and more green. This pathway continues to Udagawa Street and Shibuya Station. If you go up the hill, you'll see Shibuya Park Shopping Center. It's a fun and cozy side of Shibuya that you can explore. In the future, I'd like to cover other side of Shibuya too. These are the town, not really the area with sightseeing spots you imagine in Japan. But it might be interesting to explore when you're a little bit tired of the busy streets in Tokyo. Thank you for watching. Have a great trip to Tokyo. Have a great week until the next video.